It is 6 p.m. on a hot Saturday night in the city of Barcelona. The city's residents and visitors alike are out enjoying the many sights, bars and restaurants. A Champions League football game has attracted an additional 25,000 visitors to the city, which is buzzing with excitement. Meanwhile, the leadership team of the Emergency Services Contact Center responsible for Barcelona and surrounding areas is meeting to discuss the potential scenarios and projected emergency caller volumes for the night. With the current elevated temperatures, thousands of tourists in the city and the upcoming football match, it will be a very busy night for emergency responders. Will we be staffed with an adequate number of live agents to respond in time to critical calls? This is the main concern of the team, as live agents need to be able to respond effectively to emergency calls when lives may be at stake. Once more this week, the leadership team reviews the updated hourly call volume projections and proposed staffing plan provided by their AI-driven solution. The experienced team decide to follow the prediction and staffing plan. But will it be accurate? To support more precise agent rostering and planning, the Emergency Services team recently engaged Clariba, a leading big data and advanced analytics expert in Europe and the Middle East. With over 22 years of experience in providing complex analytics solutions to its worldwide customers, Clariba was the ideal partner to engage with. What if the leadership team of the emergency services could count on more accurate predictions of call volumes, optimize its staffing and deliver better emergency response services as a result? With a clear objective to tackle, Clariba initiated a series of workshops with the customer. Together they reviewed the current highly manual forecast process and brainstormed on the different factors that influence call volumes. They also discussed the impact of incorrectly forecasting the number of operators for each shift, causing long wait times to callers and delays in providing emergency services, not to speak of the stress levels of the call center staff. With a full understanding of the requirements and the need to deliver results quickly, the Clariba team decided to implement Dataiku, a central solution for the design, deployment, and management of AI applications. Clariba's Dataiku certified consultants went to work. As a starting point, the team began gathering the various information sources needed to build the model. Using Dataiku built-in connectors, the team retrieved the call volumes from the data warehouse and connected to open data sources to enrich the final model with additional situational data, including traffic data, meteorological and pollution data, special events, and more. Equipped with the right data elements and flows, Clariba selected one of Dataiku's predefined algorithms that can be adapted and optimized as needed. The forecast plugin was selected for this use case. From the available data, two working data sets were created: a training block and a test block. Using Dataiku's built-in capabilities, the training was then performed with the training block in an iterative process against state-of-the-art algorithms based on statistical models and neural networks, and evaluated automatically against the test data subset. The outcome of this process is forecast results with lower and upper bounds based on acceptable industry standard deviation levels. For each observation, one can easily compare actual versus forecasted values and the score achieved. The selected algorithm has achieved remarkable results, predicting on average 95% of the calls. With the forecasting model in place and the test scores in the right range, it was time to execute the model in production. To better monitor the model execution, the Clariba team also embedded the workflow within Microsoft Teams. With the powerful forecasting module and interactive dashboarding provided by Dataiku, the emergency services can now count on a self-learning model which replaces many man-hours of manual work, provides more accurate call volume predictions, and allows for ongoing enhancements. But the journey does not stop here. Both teams are now looking to further tweak the model with additional data for more precise planning and call to action to ensure optimal response and services to citizens and visitors in need.